Alright, let me go ahead and get this beach towels up in here. Y'all gonna get y'all flip flops?
I don't want no flip flops. I can walk around barefoot if I want. Got mine.
Alright, your feet start burning. Don't start complaining to me.
Never mind. I'm bringing my flip flops. Which one are mine? These ones?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wait,
Cameron, where you at? Where's our older sister at?
I don't know. In her room hiding. She hiding from you.
Well, then she gonna be left behind then. Make sure y'all put y'all sunscreen too. Y'all need to be getting no sunburn.
Sunscreen.
Yeah, let me put my sunscreen on. Make sure you ask about your wigs.
Oh, girl, who? Do not start with me today. You better don't start.
My favorite sister.
Kehlani, make sure you turn off that. Oh,
we're besties. Like,
girl, not you dancing.
Like,
but anyways, go ahead turn off your TV. Cause I need y'all wasting my bills up in here.
I need to get my snack because I try to start off the so.
Oh my god.
Y'all put on sunscreen. Y'all got y'all beach stuff, beach toys, towels. Well, I got this towels.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
then go ahead and get in the car. Come on, let's go. Cameron, what is you? I'm not even gonna question you.
I can't front seat.
You don't need to be up in the front.
Too young to have front seat.
No, leave me alone.
Dezmond, you already know you don't sit up in the front. You too young for that.
Mom,
wait, which front you talking about?
Tell Cameron to move, because that's my seat now.
I put this in the trunk.
Okay. When she moves off to college, that's going to be my seat. Just watch.
Well, if only you're old enough. Anyways, let's go ahead and start heading to the beach, y'all. And here we are at the beach, and I heard some new stuff.
Thank you, Jesus. Ice cream. So how do you turn the AC on or nothing?
Can I get some ice cream?
Not now. Y'all need to go ahead and waste your energy first, then I'll get y'all ice cream.
Oh my god. You're so boring.
Child.
We're gonna be sitting over here. So this is our area and this too.
It's so relaxing.
Literally, I'm gonna sit here and relax and be on my phone while y'all do what y'all gonna do. Mr. Crab. Mommy wouldn't mind to take you home. Ow! Hey! That's not nice. Mommy! Oh my goodness, what happened? What's wrong? Why are you crying? What's going on? Mommy, the crab hurt me. He hurt my finger. What did I tell you about messing with the crabs?
Where's the crab at? I'm gonna beat him up. Where he at?
I wanted to take him home. Girl, no, you cannot take him home. Sit down right here. Sit down. Let me see your finger. Which hand was it, Kehlani? Why?
The Little Mermaid. It was not Haley Bailey or whatever her name is.
Literally, you can't.
Bailey? Isn't that her name, Haley Bailey?
Sure. Y'all, this is not the time. This is a family emergency. Y'all talking about something else.
That's her fault. That ain't my fault. That ain't my problem.
Yeah, you go on there. Go on. Cameron, go watch your brother. Let me see your hand. Girl, how would you? That is a deep cut. Oh my goodness. Let me see my purse over here. Look for the Band-Aid. No.
You got it.
Entire cleaning. Alright, this is gonna burn a little bit, so get ready. I don't like crabs no more. No! All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Shh. Stop. It's okay. I'll get you some ice cream. Here, put the bandage around it. For now on, I know you like animals, but for now on, don't be touching no more crabs, cause baby, yeah, you already know what I was finna say. But don't be touching no more crabs, okay? Oh Lord. And find the rest of your siblings. Kameron and Dezmond, why'd y'all all the way down the beach?
I'm hanging out the window on my friend.
Y'all, that's not even our radio.
I'm hanging out the window on my rocket friend. Where is she at? Oh, there you are.
She right here.
Hey, she okay? Do you think she's okay? No. Okay, you know what? This will cheer you up. So I'm gonna sing a song that'll cheer you up. Okay? It's called Deli by Ice Spice, okay? Okay. She hanging out the window with her ratchet friend. She's shaking like jelly.
This is my time. So here you go.
She's shaking like jelly.
Alright, I'm back with the ice cream.
What
the?
She got ice cream.
Ooh, give me some.
Yeah, I got your strawberry ice cream. Got your vanilla ice cream.
Thank you.
Got you your vanilla ice cream and got you your vanilla ice cream.
That boy's a liar. He's a liar. He's not looking at you, boy. That boy's a liar.
Dezmond, be careful on these people beach chairs, please, because I'm not paying. I'm not.
Too bad. I'm gonna break nothing. I'm the weight of a little mouse.
And that's bad, because you're supposed to be on the correct weight.
This thing's probably gonna break when you stand there or something, because no, not me.
Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome. I hope you get better. And we're still gonna get your fingers checked out because we don't know.
By the way, she bought that ice cream with my allowance money because she ain't got no money, so she borrowed my allowance money.
Boy,
so thank me.
Do you want me to take Starburst?
Nope.
Okay, then hush. No, good dang. Well, I got some money.
Yeah, she got
wait. Matter of fact, since I was cheering her up. So, Kehlani, I learned some little TikTok moves, so I'm going to show you, okay?
Oh, my God.
All right, you ready? So, this is what I learned right here. Hey. Yeah, bow. Woo. Bow, hey. Bow. Oh, that's my kid. Go, Mommy.
Why you so damn?
I need to see my high kick. Watch me do it again. Watch me do the high kick. Watch me do my high kick. Watch. Pow.
This is all fun. This is all funny.
Girl, don't play. Don't play, because baby, y'all got y'all moves from y'all mother. Don't play.
I definitely didn't use to stiff.
I am not. Girl, Kameron, you see my high kick.
Girl, your leg was big. That's how it's like that pointy.
I have a dance
request. Y'all stay hating on me. Y'all stay hating on me.
I have a dance request for you.
Okay. What is it?
Okay, so can you do Walk by Cardi B?
Yeah, let me show you.
How do you even know that song?
Kameron! Playing it when she's getting ready for school in the morning.
Kameron, what I tell you about playing that song?
I heard it from her room. She was singing that song from her room when she was getting ready for school.
But anyways, me and y'all sister finna go to the ocean water and swim around the water.
Oh my God, I'm gonna be the Little Mermaid. Flower.
Oh my gosh, here go a little fishy right here. You see it?
Oh, she's scared of animals now. I wouldn't blame her.
The little fish just went by fast too.
I should not be in water.
Can I take it home? Girl, no. We already got fishes at the house. We don't need no more.
Mom, Mom, I saw the crab and it digged under the sand when I saw it.
Under the sand? You need to stay away from that crab then. That's probably the same crab.
It was right here. It was right here. And when it saw me, it went under the sand.
Yeah, you need to stay away from that. Cameron, what are you? Yeah, all right, wrap it up. Come on, y'all. Time to go. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. We're going to wrap it up.
Can I ask you something?
Shower.
Mother. So since I was being a good kid today and being very supportive for her injury, can we go to a pet store and get a dog?
Ooh.
Or a cat?
I don't know about that, but we can go to the pet store just to look at the pets. We're not gonna get them yet.
Can we adopt a cat?
Cause I don't think I really trust y'all with a dog yet.
I mean, dogs are mid.
Y'all barely take care of Tilly and Billy.
Well, Tilly and Billy, they're boring. They just sit in a cage all day. That's all they do.
Well, you can take them out and play with them.
What if they bite me or something?
Can I take another crab home, Mommy? No, girl. Did you not learn your lesson? She did not learn her lesson at all.
I want a cat.
Well, I can say that we can go to the pet store, but we're not going to get any pets.
Oh my God. Fine.
Last one, a rotten egg. And we're going to end the video off right here. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on to get notified of a new video. And we are, as you guys can see, we are back and we'll be posting again. And thank y'all so much for 6-point-something subscribers. We love y'all so much. And we've been liking all the support that y'all been giving us. But anyways, matter of fact, not even we will see you guys next time. Bye.